Okay, so I've decided to put the SONOS on top of our cooler system, just because I think if I have two, one on one side of the store, one on the other side of the store, gosh, I need to dust these. Anyhow, so I'm going to go ahead and plug in the SONOS, see how this thing works here. The actual power outlet, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. The power connector is flat and has a rubber base, so it connects seamlessly with the bottom. So it has power. Move it closer to the edge. About like that. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that'll work. I really need to clean the top of these. So it looks like it's gone into a synchronization mode. So I've downloaded the app. Okay, so I went ahead and downloaded the app, and we're going to go to, I don't know if you can see it, but the one that's highlighted is set up a new SONOS system. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and create an account. Okay, so we set up the account. Now we're going to go to continue. We're gonna set up speakers. I have a play one. It is black. It found it because it's already obviously near me. You can see that. It's pretty self-explanatory. Set up this speaker. So add a new speaker. We gotta do the iOS accessory setup. So we gotta go to accessory setup. That's our network. So we're going to join the SONOS speaker to our network. So now it wants us to hit the power button. Okay, so it wants us to hit the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. So we're going to do that now. Made a confirmation noise. It's connecting. This is a fairly easy setup for sure. Okay, so now the play one is added. Let's set it up. It's going to ask me where I want it. We're going to put it in. We're going to type in the store. Okay. Continue. Says this will be used in the store. Okay, now this is where you would add another speaker. I haven't set up the other speaker just quite yet, so I'm going to do that now, and then I will be back. Possibly making that much noise. Am I making that much noise walking around? I heard you. Did it hurt something? I don't get it. I was doing really good there though. We were almost done with the calibration.
I thought I heard the air, but I guess it was just...
I think it's the bass or something.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so... Would it possibly be the coat that I'm wearing?
It's me. I give off.
Is your heart like beating extremely loud?
Yeah.
And the only thing I can hear is my phone?
Yeah. It's really fast too.
I have no idea. Oh, there it is. Horse. Sounding. Here. Try to reduce noise from clothing, pets, creaky floors, home appliances, friends. Can you reach that cord? It's the bottom plug.
Bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kind of nervous. I'll drop it.
I'll drop it.
You want me to unplug it?
Yeah.
I'll drop it.
Did you really?
Yeah, something just a little higher.
Sure. You're gonna just stand on my shoulders. If that one falls, I'll be able to get it. Don't worry about that. Alright, Nick. Don't breathe. Bro, this is stupid. You're not moving your iPhone up and down enough. Please try again with more vertical movement.
Just like you were doing?
See?
iPhone case.
Yeah, sometimes it'll tell you something about your case, but if you take your case out of it, it'll find something else wrong too. It almost makes me wonder if it's hearing the actual noise of the wind like blowing by as you're waving it around.
More vertical movement.
What did it say?
Reduce noise. I was right at the end. I swear.
That's what I mean, I don't understand. It went through?
Yeah.
Wow, after 31 attempts. Wow, that was ridiculous, man. What's it say now?
Tune plays tune your speakers to sound true in your room. You may hear subtle improvements at first and then increase clarity the more you listen. Finish. Rotate back to normal.
How excited are you about that?
I'm pretty excited.
I'm pretty
It's
excited.
not even mine.
Okay, so we finally got the speakers tuned, calibrated, and set up. The tuning process was kind of frustrating, for real. But we did get them set up. Got them all ready to go here. One there. One there. Now, since I can't play anything really that I'd want to play, I'll just play one of my own YouTube videos. That way I don't get some kind of copyright strike or something. It's probably not going to do it justice, but it'll give you a good idea what it sounds like. You can also go to the SONOS app through YouTube, and let's see if I can get it to focus here. Yeah, the SONOS app looks like this right there, and you can play your YouTube videos via this app. The interface is a little bit slow, but it does work. So I'll just play the video of me building my computer here. You hear the speakers. Like I said, this isn't going to really do it justice. I can turn them up a little bit for you. Since I have this set up in our store, I actually have the volume limited, so I can turn it all the way up before I leave the house, and it plays and it doesn't get too loud, but that's at 50%. The speakers definitely have a pretty large sound to their size profile. They're a little bit of a pricey sound, or speaker for what they are. I think it's worth it, especially if you can find a good deal on them. Yeah, hopefully you have an easier time tuning yours than I did. Maybe it was because just the way that everything's laid out in here, we ended up having to shut off all the coolers. We even had to set off our registers, our scanners, because they were making a little bit of noise. I don't really know. Maybe it was just because of the acoustics in the area, because there's no carpet or any kind of buffer at all that allows you to dampen the sound. But for some reason it just kept resetting and saying that there was too much noise or too much ambient noise, and I really don't think there was. So hopefully you have an easier time setting them up than we did. Thanks for watching.